Praise ye the Lord with my whole heart, I will God's praise declare. Where the assemblies of the just and congregations are, the whole works of the Lord our God are great above all measure. Sought out they are of every one that doth therein take pleasure. His work most honourable is, most glorious and pure, and his untainted righteousness forever doth endure. His works most wonderful he hath made to be thought upon. The Lord is gracious, and he is full of compassion. He giveth meat unto all those that truly do him fear, and evermore his covenant he in his mind will bear. He did the power of his works unto his people show, when he the heathen's heritage upon them did bestow. His handiworks are truth and right, and all his commands are sure, and done in truth and uprightness they evermore endure. He sent redemption to his folk, his covenant foray. He did command holy his name, and reverend is alway. Wisdom's beginning is God's fear, good understanding they have all that his commands fulfill, his praise endures forever.